Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Milansoccer1313 box break number 263. This is box 11 of 12 for Friday, May the 7th. It's a Upper Deck Series 2 hobby. That's a serial number, and we'll come back to that as soon as I switch to the webcam to go through before we break the box. Just quickly to go over the rules and a couple of housekeeping things. I'm going to pick on Washington Capitals, Casper4238 as usual, and as we stated in all of the postings, we only send out the hits, so Washington could get all the cards or none of the cards. So Casper4238 could get no hits or all the hits. Just depends on how it comes. The other thing just wanted to give everyone a heads up on is that the mail is slow. So we are sending out packages as usual, but due to the circumstances right now, it is a little bit slower than usual. So just please be patient. Just going to run through the winners right now, the eBay user winners, and then we'll get back to the box, over to the break, the webcam, and show you the serial number. Washington Capitals goes to Casper4238. The Oilers, the Panthers, the Devils, the Rangers, the Flyers, the Pens, the Blues, and the Leafs go to Cathodic1409. The Ducks go to Collector Cards. The Tampa Bay Lightning goes to Iskai88. The Coyotes go to John Carpa 1986. The Dallas Stars goes to JPJ 1221. The Bruins, the Flames, the Canes, and the Jets go to Klump 79. The Avalanche, the Canadians, the Islanders, and the Senators goes to Laubas 37. The Hawks go to Knuckleman. The Jackets, the Wings, and the Predators go to Pistachio. The Canucks go to Scythe 344. The Sabres goes to Shazam 58. The Minnesota Wild goes to STPLP_30. The LA Kings goes to Vince 44. The Knights goes to Welly8488. And rounding it out, the San Jose Sharks goes to Z Korsnes? We'll stick with it. Going to just show you the serial number ending in 3193. We're going to show that right now. I'm going to switch over to the webcam, sorry. Where are we here? There we go. Let's get that in focus. There we go. 3193. Hopefully you guys can see it. There we go. 3193. All right. Congratulations to everybody, and thanks again for everybody for paying so quick. Always appreciate that, so we can get the break done same night. This is the second to last box. The last box goes on Sunday of this case, I should say. So of this case, this is the second to last box, which goes, the last box of this case goes Sunday. So hopefully rounding this out with some big hits. And let's get started. Is it Chabois? I'm going to call him Chabois. Lindholm. Skinner. Your first award winner, Connor Hellebuck, for your Jets. Boquist. Gardner, Manta. I'm just a little bit out of picture here, guys. So let me move that up so you can see everything I'm doing. Hopkins, Giroux, and the Steu for your UD portraits for your Pittsburgh Penguins, Emil Larmy. Congratulations to Pittsburgh. Is that a yes? It is. That is our first French variant for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Audric Palat. Mete. Drager. Subban. The cards, it's just me. They are not cooperating with me. They keep slipping everywhere tonight, man. Greenway. Touch. Jones. First young gun for your San Jose Sharks, Nicholas Milosh. Stepan, Ferraro, and Arvids. Makar, Marlowe, Bjork, checklist, UD canvas of Joe Pavelski for your Dallas Stars. Congratulations, Dallas. Bailey. Troy, Crosby, Ranton, and Ian Mitchell for your Chicago Blackhawks. Camera won't focus today. Ian Mitchell for your Chicago. Byron Brownie. Foligno, DeBrusque. It's a materials. DeHannen. Rookie materials. Kirby Doc. That is a nice rookie material. There we go. Very nice. Congratulations, Chicago, on that rookie material. Let's just flip that around. It's a last year card, but it's a very nice card from last print. Is that a last print? I don't know if it's last print. Kirby Doc is a rookie from last year. Jason, Dermott, Cole, Gilles Jean. Congratulations to your New Jersey Devils young gun. There we go. Guess Schwartz and Sorensen. So nice rookie material. There we go. This thing keeps focusing in and out on me. Sorelli, Olofsson, Kane, UD, Shane Bowers. Congratulations to Colorado. Sorry, guys, the camera's acting up on me today. There we go. Shane Bowers. Oh, Kako, Maroon, Paul. Ryan Polak, Palat, Voracek, marquee rookie, Philip Khrushchev for your Chicago Blackhawks. Bertuzzi. Oh, nice. Program of Excellence. Michael DiPietro for your Canada. And which it is the Canucks. We're going to double check that, but I believe he was drafted by the Canucks, and we will double check that doubt, but I think it is the Canucks right now for your UD program of excellence that would go to the Vancouver Canucks, but we'll double check to make sure. Greg and Nyquist, Sundqvist, Bozak, marquee rookie, Mason Marchment for your Florida Panthers. And this Hutton, McCann. Oh, award winners. Tampa Bay Lightning with the Stanley Coupe. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. Grant, Philip, Stahl, oops. Hellebuck, Fleury. K'Andre Miller, excuse me, for your New York Rangers young gun. It's a nice card. Johnson and Pavel Buszkiewicz, who was suspended after that brawl, what we would call ironic. Goudreau. Matthews, UD Portrait, Nick Robertson. Nice Nick Robertson UD Portrait. Congratulations, Toronto. Let's see if somebody's behind here. No. Base and Reese. Blackwood. Muzzin, Ben, Coleman, marquee rookie Bowen Byron, Colorado. Congratulations, Colorado. Lemieux. Chittle, Krejci, Kucherov. Oh, John Tavares. Nice little UD canvas for John Tavares. Ben Zersenko, done and quick. Chabois, Roussel, Lucic, marquee rookie Nico Mekola for your St. Louis Blues. Pedersen and Draisaitl. Helping Connor McDavid hit 100 this year. I don't think he's helping him very much, actually. I'll take that back. Kucherov, Reeves, Connor, Vrana, Alec Belzai. Alex Belzai for your Montreal. That's Belzile for your Montreal Canadiens. I can get it on about the third try. Hughes, Rust, and what do we got here? Alex, marquee rookie for your Washington Capitals. Jesus, think today. Nice. Vogel, Helm, Steele, Lehkonen, UD Portrait, Yanni, Hakanapaa. Let's go with Hakanapaa. And Edler, Backstrom, and Niskanen. Those ones I'm not bad at. Conley, Nylander, Nikolai Knizov. I think that would be it for your San Jose Sharks. For your San Jose Sharks. Congratulations, San Jose. Kreider, Fask. Oh, UD Canvas, Anders Lee for your Islanders. Right behind, we got a Dazzler for Josh Norris for your Ottawa Senators. Congratulations, Ottawa. Zajac, Dubois, Aho, Igor Sharaganovich. Close enough. That's pretty good for your New Jersey Devils. Hey, there he is, Wilson. Pedersen. He should come back to back with Bishkevich. Ironic. Armia. Enrique. What do we got here? Oh, it's a marquee. I thought it was something bigger. Sorry, guys. It is a red, but you know what? I am wrong. It is a red. Alex Lafreniere, your New York Rangers, marquee rookie. I do believe that is red. So I'm not 100% sure, but I think that is a variant. Glass, Humphrey, and Mikheyev to round us off. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for paying so quick again. Thanks for participating in the break. The last box of this case, goes on Sunday. So hope to see you on Sunday. Have a good night.